Good morning, guys. Well, you know what? Regardless of what's happening with the market, I'm with you guys till the end. I'm never giving up on you guys. I want you to know that we're with you. I'm with you through this. I know some of you guys are waking up. East Coast guys, you've already woken up. We saw this bear flag this weekend come out where we have flagpole and then we have a bear flag to the upside. And I was looking at this. I'm like, oh my gosh, we're probably going to break down. Trend exhaustion pushed in the top red section here. That was a sign I was really looking for. I know well money flow is fairly low here because people are trying to buy this market, but it's just people are selling more than they're buying right now. And that's why we don't see a super high metric value here on the well money flow. And this was a good precursor call to move back down. So, great. Our indicators are looking like they're calling the drops correctly here, but what's some hope here? And I don't want to just show you guys hope just for hope, but I do actually see something on the weekly time frame. I went over on Bitcoin. I'm going to show it to you on Ethereum here, where this could be getting very bullish, not just from a money flow perspective, but even a Fibonacci retracement perspective, which Ethereum loves to move in Fibonacci retracements. Okay, let me give you guys some hope today in this video, but that's not biased or just fluff or anything like that. Okay, look at this. We're sitting at 102 for 102 wins on this channel. This is the program that we are using to literally trade this crypto crazy market. Okay, I will show you guys in the second half of the video how to get into our membership so you guys can trade with us, get all the access to everything we have. The indicators go up in 4 days. You have 4 days left, guys, and we're going to be upping the prices of all of our indicators. Okay, let's just dive into them right now. This morning, the trend dashboard. This is showing me all of the retail trader indicators, all the main ones, the RSI stochastic, MACD, 5100, 200 moving average. Okay, they're all bearish. They're all red. People are freaking out and they are selling this market. I know this sounds weird, but on Bitcoin, I show this to you guys, but we have coins like Link and some other coins here that we really need to head down further. I'm hoping, we actually might have gotten hit on here on Link. I'll have to take a look at this in the exchange if we actually got hit. Oh, we did. A Link officially actually hit our fourth buy limit. Okay, this is actually very good news because Link's new break-even entry just moved down to here. I have to do the calculations, but we just all saved ourselves probably close to 10% on that trade, and that probably happened with a few others. So actually, this is really, really good. Okay, market going down is good right now, but let me show you guys a sign that we could be moving back up here. The trend exhaustion is showing, let's circle this now so you guys see what I'm talking about. Trend exhaustion down here, price versus well money flow. We're pushing to these lower sections. Now, the last time we got down here to a lower section, well money flow was low. Well, we actually stopped, and we saw movement back up. Okay, pretty cool. Previous time before that, trend exhaustion low, well money flow was low. What do we see? We actually saw a move back up. And this is not like small moves. Those are actually decent moves. Previous time before that, cool, we called the drop down here. We saw this move back up. Called the drop over here, trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, and then seeing the drop right here. I know these are small moves, but literally, an indicator they can call the small ones as well as the big ones is extremely accurate. This move over here, calling the drop in the market where we saw the well money flow high, trend exhaustion high. That's all you guys are looking for with these two indicators, and that's calling the drops. The pump happened right when the trend exhaustion was at the low point in the bottom red zone, as well as when the well money flow is low. That called the pump up here. So what I'm looking at, taking all that data into account here, and literally this is called the last 15 drops on Ethereum with these two indicators, 15 in a row, crazy, including this one right here, which was actually the 16th drop of when the trend exhaustion got high here. That ended up calling this move down here to the bottom side. Now we're seeing this move down to the bottom red section here, getting close. The well money flows actually has divergence right now, where the price structure is going down, well money flow is moving up here for a possible move back up. Very interesting. Now we're going to go over structure support and all that, but I want to take you guys to the 1 week time frame to get a very big view on what's going on with Ethereum. Look at this. The last time the well money flow was this low was all the way back here on the 16th of September 2019. This is when everybody gave up here, and it just skyrocketed after this. Now look at the trend exhaustion of how low it was there. Now look at where we are. Those low readings are where we are now. So I said this in the Bitcoin video, guys, but some of you who are in altcoins right now, and you're like, okay, I'm throwing in the towel. I literally just give up. I'm going to trade Forex or something like crazy like that. Seriously, I am holding my positions right now because any moment this thing could explode back up. Now let me show you this. You guys remember the 50% Fibonacci retracement? Take a look at this. This is another actually bullish sign. If you come up to the high here and you take a look at the low on this, what happened during this market structure right here? We saw a move up. We saw a 50% retracement right here where the candles stopped, and then we exploded back up. Yes, that's an explosion. That's an incredible amount of percentage. All right, now take a look at another view of a Fibonacci retracement. Take the high of Ethereum and pull the low of Ethereum. And guess what, guys? We are right in the 50% retracement section for the Fibonacci on the weekly. This could start getting extremely bullish. All right, this happens before. Do you guys want me to give you even more proof why the Fibonacci is so important for Ethereum? Okay, I'm glad you guys asked. Let's look at this. Take a look at the structures of how this has respected this in the past over here. Even this pump here was called with what? A 50% Fibonacci retracement. Take the high, take the low. What happened? A move straight up, a 50% retracement, and an explosion. Okay. Look at this on the weekly time frame. This is exactly in that 50% retracement here, and we're getting close to the support down here. So this could be literally what I'm going to be calling like the bounce zone. Could be insane on cryptocurrency soon, like insane. But what might be happening right now is that the market is flushing out all of the retail traders who are scared. They're flushing everything out right now, guys. And people are making money on the way down. That's great. That's fantastic. But the buying pressure that could be coming into the market here could absolutely be ridiculous. I'm watching the VUG very strongly. Oh my gosh, look at that. We gapped down on VUG, which is what's tracking the NASDAQ. And honestly, if you overlay the S&P 500 and you overlay the NASDAQ, it tracks both of them very well. But this has been crashing. So that means the stock market crashed this morning and we gapped down here, which is part of the reason why this market's going down so much. This, guys, needs to bounce here or else crypto's obviously going to be going down further. I've been showing this to you so much. All right. Let me go over the metrics here. There's more to show you guys here. Let's do this. Let's go over the metrics. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is going to update. I hope you guys hear my voice this morning, that this is actually getting very exciting. And what goes down this far, it could see some incredible pumps. I'm sorry, let me show this real quick. I know I'm bouncing around a little bit. Do you guys remember the quote-unquote COVID crash we had over here? This drop right here, that's what's deemed as the COVID crash. The fastest market recovery in history that we've seen happened after that. This drop, guys, is where everyone's freaking out. Where they freaked out here. So we could possibly be heading back into one of the fastest market recoveries ever. Again, on this bull market move back up. This is one of the fastest drops we've ever seen. This actually moved slower down than this move over here. So a drop in the market here moving down this fast could actually end up seeing a very fast bull run back up. Okay, let's keep watching. Ethereum, the emotional index right now for the market is absolutely fearful. There is no doubt about that. People are freaking out. They're like, oh my gosh, we're going down, we're going down, we're going down. Okay, let me just remind you guys of something here. This is why you guys get access to these metrics and you guys can trade with these because they're going to give you guys confidence. Last time we hit fearfulness, we saw a pump. Previous time before that, back here, we ended up seeing a pump. Even over here where we got very close was actually the low, and we saw a lower high. Previous time before that, we skyrocketed in Ethereum. Previous time before that, we skyrocketed into Ethereum. Previous time before that, we saw a pump. Previous time before that, we saw a pump. Okay, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe the 8th time in a row that we're going to actually see a pump. This is why I'm telling you, the altcoins that we're in right now, I am not even getting close to selling those positions. You do not want to be getting into these altcoins, right? Excuse me. Let me say this another way. You don't want to be exiting these altcoin positions, in my opinion, to just see this market turn around and bounce. That would make you feel terrible if you guys try to sell right now trying to get lower positions and then the market just absolutely skyrockets back up here because of the 50% retracement, because of the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ being so low. This is where you can start seeing crazy bounces, and it is time to be buying up this market, guys. I still have $15,000, I believe, if I'm quoting that correctly. Around $15,500 in cash to buy this dip even further. Okay, look at this. Long versus short trades for Ethereum on the blockchain for Bitfinex. We are seeing short trades still increase here a little bit, but long trades are increasing as well, giving competition to short trades because the demand is so ridiculously low right now on Ethereum. Okay, this is a bullish sign. Coming over here, looking at trades in favor, absolutely this metric value is down here to good long trades in favor, so definitely be watching that. Coming over here, well, institutional smart money. I've been watching this over the weekend, as last a couple days, and what we're seeing here is this incredible accumulation of long trades, guys. I don't know how much you guys, subscribe to this theory of, guys at the top, these big institutions getting together in their rooms or whatever and saying, oh, we're going to tank the market and go back in. I'm telling you guys, they make their most money when the market's dropping, period. They just make their most money, and they actually buy. So I know what's happened lately because we can clearly look at the charts. Retail traders have been selling out like crazy and giving up. But if you look at this over here, the precursors to the last pumps that we've had in here have been Wells, institutions, and smart money doing what? Acquiring long trades in the market, buying the fear of the retail traders. Saw the pump there, saw the pump here, and maybe we're seeing the pump here. Again, let me show this to you. Let me give you more proof, guys. These metrics here, get these on your side of trading. Check them every morning, and you guys can get this with our program. I'll show this to you guys in a second. When this dips down here, we're seeing the pumps right after we see these long trades come out with institutions and Wells. We saw it right here. We saw the pump. We saw it over here when the market crashed. We saw long trades come out. It saved us, and it pumped back up. It pumped over here as well. But also, when it pumps and we see short trades come out, this is where the market's dipping. Guys, this metric over here is literally showing you guys what's happening behind the scenes, but no one is looking at it. Everyone's freaking out. They're saying, oh my gosh, I need to sell. Guys, full disclosure, we have not sold a single position in this downtrend. Not a single position. I actually have more money waiting to buy the dip on these lower positions. And if it does hit this, it's going to be extremely favorable for us because our break-even entry is going to go down even further. You guys need to start trading with us over here. I'm going to keep your guys' accounts safe and show you the manipulation that's happening out there with honestly, emotions and the market and news. We don't look at news articles. I showed you guys a news article because of the Biden administration on Bitcoin, but I haven't shown you guys one of those for so long. It's like, man, if you can just understand how smart money works, and if you guys hold a new dollar cost average, that is how you guys are making the most money, okay? Seriously, I'm trying to prove it to you guys. We've never lost a trade over here, and we have the healthiest account I can find on all of YouTube from where we're at currently, okay? This great support here is where we're looking for a bounce, is at 2,600. Now, the next move down here is obviously 1,700. This is the bounce that I'm really looking at that everyone can see on the chart. Yes, we could head down here, and honestly, it would actually be more favorable if we headed down because that would bring our break-even entry lower, and it would put more money into this trade. So instead of making, let's say I put $1,000 at each of these levels, it's more like $2,500. But let's say I put $1,000 each level, I'm going to be now earning on $3,000 when I go back up. But now if I hit the fourth buy limit, I'm going to be earning on $4,000. So this is the only strategy you can trade. And I'll show you how to get into a trade setup right now with this strategy. The only strategy you can trade is as the market goes against your position, you are getting a better risk to reward ratio than where you started. And when you break above the break-even entry, you make more money. So this is why our traders actually get excited when the markets go down, because we make more money when it goes back up. And it gives you guys extremely good risk management, so you're not losing, 80, 90% of your accounts. Guys, a lot of people have lost their accounts. Straight up, a lot of people have just lost all their money. I'm talking, seriously, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars, people have lost it. They've emailed into us already, and I've answered emails myself of this, where they're like, Travis, I blew my account and I hit margin. And I'm like, oh my gosh. And we find out they didn't use dollar cost average entries. They didn't use the strategy. And so they're coming over to us, and I have sympathy for all of them, so please don't take this arrogantly. But it's like, guys, we have the healthiest channel I can find on all of YouTube. We're only down 25% right now, 25.7%. This is extremely good right now, actually. Extremely good. Okay, most people are down about, I would say, 60, maybe actually pushing to 70% right now. If not, people have lost all their money. So we're doing very good over here, and I'm going to teach you guys how to get in here and trade this. So give me 1 second. Dollar cost average entries. We're looking at this to come out and show us, hey, look for these entries. This is a great entry if you guys want to come out here and snag this. I wouldn't doubt if today or tomorrow we're going to get another green line to show a great entry price for Ethereum. The exit points here. Exit points, we haven't seen one come out yet because everything's going down. So once it starts moving back up, we are going to be looking for exit points in the market here for this to rebound back up and then see a move back down. Okay, so make sure we're watching that because I called the drop here, called the drop here, called it there, and called it here many times before in the past, okay? So let me show you guys how to get into these, to access all these metrics, guys. It's only with our monthly membership, okay? $49 a month is the cheapest membership price you guys will ever pay for these types of metrics as far as our win rate and get me as a personal coach in Telegram. Full disclosure, guys, we are upping this price to $95 a month starting in February 25th. February 25th is a hard date that we're going to be upping this membership to. But everybody who stays and signs up with our membership at $49 a month, you guys will be able to be grandfathered in for life. So literally, as this goes up to $95 and everyone's paying $95, what you guys can do is stay at $49 forever. Seriously, you can stay there for as long as you guys want, all right? Now, with this membership, it's going to give you access to all the metrics we just went over, and it's going to give you access to the live trades over here. So this is where I want you guys to be paying attention to. Also, I know you've heard you guys probably hear me mention this, but we're launching an Inner Circle Crypto Acceleration group where I'm going to be literally getting on live Zoom with you guys as a family, and we're talking about the markets. I'm going to answer you guys' questions. We're going to put trade setups on the charts. We're going to talk about how to manage them correctly, how to use good risk management. How do we have the number one highest winning YouTube channel ever that we've seen here? How do we have the best account standing in crypto since we've been trading since March of last year and we've been taking all these trades? How have we done that? I'm going to literally get in and show that to you guys coming up here. So make sure you guys are locked in at $49 so you're not paying the higher price, okay? Very, like tons of value that you guys are going to be getting here very soon. Okay, we're obviously talking about Ethereum right now, so I want you guys to click into here because there's new buy limits set up for you guys. But I'm going to get into Bitcoin and show this to you guys. And this is how we've won all 102 wins that we're in right now and how we have one of the healthiest, if not the healthiest YouTube account, okay, for crypto, okay? I'm talking about the Coinbase account over here, all right? Look at this. What we're doing is we are using very good risk management on all of our trades. So when the market crashes, we still have some money in the market to recover very nicely from, all right? Here's what you guys are going to do on Bitcoin or any of our trades this morning. This will update at 124 because today's 123, okay? Look at this. If you guys have $1,000 you want to put into the market, you're simply going to take your $1,000 or you choose the amount, split it into 4 equal portions. In this example, it's 250. So 250 here, 250 here, 250 here, and 250 here. Please use all the prices down to the cent. There's a reason why I do this. I will do a video about it later. I've already done many videos, but please use all of the metrics here. Even if it says 0, great, put 47. I'm not kidding, guys. Use all the way to the ends, and I'll explain someday in another video of why we do that. It's very favorable for you to make sure you place all of those limits in there. That's why we're winning these trades, okay? Look at this. Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys are going to set a sell limit in your exchange up here. And this may update, coming this week because metrics are going to update here. What you guys want to do once you're in this trade here, not only will you get incredible risk management here, because if we go down here, that's totally fine because your break-even entry is actually going to move down halfway between the first and second buy limit, which is going to save you guys even more money. But you're not putting all your money into one section here in case we drop even further. Okay, guys, definitely be watching this. Once you set up all your buy limits, make sure you're joining me in the Telegram channel here where we're calling exits for all of the coins that we're in. All of them, guys, okay? Now, some of them are drawdown. We're going to call those as well. But I'll show you guys how to exit this with the indicators here because literally, you can take this trade right now and have really good risk management, and it's probably going to be really hard for you guys to lose this because you're going to have to go all the way down below $10,000 even before you hit your 4th buy limit. So, you guys want a winning trade in a bear market? Set it up right here. Follow me in the Telegram channel. Sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer first. Click this once you guys are logged into our website, and that will give you guys access straight into the membership over here, okay? Now, guys, the indicators. These indicators are going up in price, and you guys literally have 4 days left, 4 whole days left, because today's the 24th. They're going up on the 28th, okay? Price for swell money flow, trend dashboard, trend exhaustion. These are the indicators going up on the 28th. You definitely want to snag these. These are the exact indicators I use to predict market moves. The last 16 drops on Ethereum were predicted with this bad boy and this guy right here, okay? Here's the deal though. I have a bundle pack sale going on for you guys today that you guys can get this, and you are literally going to get 81% off all of our indicators. So basically the same price you would pay for these 3 is basically the bundle pack price here, and you guys actually end up getting there's even more than that, all 9 of our indicators, all of them. So instead of getting just the 3, it's actually better to get the bundle pack because it gives you access to everything instead of just those 3 indicators right there, okay? Definitely want to be getting the bundle pack because this is going to be the best deal for you guys, okay? Put it in the description so all you guys can see it there. I also pinned this to the first comment of this YouTube video so you guys can see that, all right? If you guys, pardon me 1 second. I should get some water here. It's like, 1 second, guys. Okay, thank you so much for that. Real quick, I want to show you guys one more thing, but if any of you guys have purchased our individual indicators, like the price for swell money flow, and you guys want to upgrade to the bundle pack before these go up in price so you're not having to pay the higher price, just email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com. And what I'll do is I'll give you guys the bundle pack. Our team knows this to give this to you guys. And you can get the bundle pack, literally get all 9 indicators and just pay the difference. So you don't have to get the bundle pack again and pay this amount to get them all. Just tell us what you've purchased in the past. We'll give you the difference and you'll get all the rest of the 9. And I want to honor that for everybody. So make sure you guys are doing that today. And I'll make sure the team knows that. Okay. Ethereum, guys. I know this market is just tearing people apart and they're like, okay, I give up. And it's clear because people are just selling. They don't know how low this is going to go. But really, guys, I'm telling you, it's time to buy. It's time to buy the dip. Wells institutions are clearly coming out here, and we're looking at this and we can see this has held true before. Like, we saw this happen. How did this drop? This drop and this pump. How did this pump get called? Acquisition of long trades. How did this pump get called? Acquisition of long trades. How did this pump over here get called? Long trades. How did this pump get called? Long trades. How did this recovery get called right here to a bull market? Long trades. Like, this is what's happening. How did the only higher low formation over here get called before we started moving back up? Long trades. Like, this is clear. How do we rebound from this drop in the market? Long trades with wealth institutions. Like, this metric over here, guys, is worth like $300+ a month for some of you guys who are trading with a lot of money. If you are just following this metric over here, as well as the emotional index, guys, this is going to be so powerful for you. And you guys get this on every single one of our 12 coins over here, okay? DeFi coins, you guys are getting it on. Solana, you guys are getting it on, Mana, Decentraland, possibly moving into the metaverse we're talking about here. Like, all of these coins, you guys get these metrics. So make sure you guys are getting the membership today that unlocks all of this for you. Have fun looking at all the tools and use them to make as much money as you guys want. And it's only $49 a month. Get in here before it goes up to 95, and I'll grandfather all of you guys in. And then, guys, seriously, the trade setups right now that you can get into with any type of money, even if you have $100 to throw in the market or 1,000, that's going to give you guys very good risk management for all of our buy limits. So there you guys go. Here's the candy shop of all of the trades you guys can get into right now. Click on any of these. This is just telling you guys, just make sure you remember this. It's $95 a month. It's going to be going up to February 25th. But any of these coins here, you guys can get into and start taking these buy limits and use very good risk management. Now, those of you guys who enter into the Ethereum trade right now, and I'm in this video with this, all you guys need to be doing right now is watching for the trend exhaustion. The next time this comes up into the top red section here, well, money flow is high here. That's where you're going to be looking to take an exit. I wouldn't doubt if we can get a market bounce. If we can get a market bounce, we're probably going to look to at least get to the structure high here, which is not that high up. That is possibly a 15% gain you guys can start making in your account right now. Literally, you want to recover from this loss, guys? Get into the Ethereum long trade. Why am I not doing it? Because I already have money in the long trade. If it goes 15% up, I'm going to be going up 15%. But those of you guys who are new to this, use our buy limits, because they will secure very good risk management for you guys, as well as they will give you guys incredible entries. And if you use the indicators, those are going to be showing you how to exit the market. So let me show you guys real quick how to actually, I know this video is way too long. I know it is, guys. I'm sorry. Let me show you how to set up an alert so you guys can get alerted when the trend exhaustion pushes back up here, because this is actually what we use to call the drops in the market. Come over here to Ethereum under the alert. I don't know if you guys saw that. You click the alert here, and then you guys click this up here. Come to the alert section, and then you guys click trend exhaustion. And then all you guys are going to do from here is going to do once per bar close. You can have it open-ended if you guys have a premium TradingView account. And come down here to Ethereum, watch for drop. That's it. Now just click create. It's going to create it right here. Now, once this trend exhaustion has pushed up to the top red section here, you guys are going to get an alert. And it might actually happen right around this area. And if it doesn't, and it's only 5 to 6%, great. You guys made 5 to 6% on a trade, and you're going to start winning trades in a downtrend. Seriously, that's what's going to start happening, and people are doing this already because they're injecting more money into the market. All right, guys, hope this video is really encouraging for you guys. Watch that bounce on the 50% retracement because this could get very bullish soon, so make sure you guys are watching that. God bless you so much, guys. Make sure you're getting the indicator bundle and the individual indicators. Those are going up in 4 days. That's all you guys have left, and we're never going to be discounting them to these prices again. We're actually going to do another price increase after this because they're so... I know the market's going down, but the value of these to save you guys money and get into the market is so incredibly, it's just the value is incredible. We're undercharging for everything. So make sure you guys set up your membership as well as you guys are getting into these indicators here, and that's going to give you guys the best deal and everything. God bless you guys. Have an amazing, amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Everything you need is in the description below. Get the tools you want to trade this next bull market coming up. I think we've got some really good ones for you guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye, guys.